Today's our topic is ransomware, VM, and VM ransom protection. People have asked what we mean when we say secure backup is your last line of defense. Over the last 10 years, the security industry has realized modern ransom protection requires an integrated security architecture from endpoints to network and cloud to detect, correlate, and remediate attacks completely. In the case of ransomware, your options for remediations are usually to recover from a backup or pay the ransom. The challenge is saying restore from backup oversimplifies the process and cause many organizations to make assumptions about their backup and recovery compatibilities. And is the nature of assumptions, they often prove false, leading to either data loss or the ransom still having to be paid. To avoid the worst case scenario, you need a plan in that includes verified, tested, and secure backups that can be restored quickly. So, we want to remind ourselves and everyone we interact with that your backup interface is part of overall cybersecurity defense and can be the final option for getting back to or staying in business. So how they are providing all these things you can see and go to the images and check out the charts. Here is the chart about the evolution of attacks. Like ransomware has pushed people who not traditionally have been thought of a part of security to the center of the ransom and recovery operations. We see in the VM's 2023 data protection trends reports that 88% of the respondents have business continuity and disasters recovery were either meet on the line. It is a strange place to be when the backup team were historically worried about users deleting small number of files, and you are now responsible to prove you can recover every piece of data in your company because of cyber attacks. Recovering from a breach and providing you not lost data. Number them. Unfortunately, in 2022, data protection report shows us the only 36% of the organizations were able to recover more than 80% of their data after a ransomware attack. This static is frustrating because it is not too much of the leap to think that these organizations either considered paying or did pay a ransom to get their data back, creating a secure backup for ransomware recovery. So what do we have to do ensure we confidently get operations back up and running? Here at veeam, we believe that the answer is combination of the product features and procedure best practices that ensure you can detect workloads as they come online, protect the data in variables. I will cross this. You can go to the website also. Here they are also providing the best information about trusted immobilities. What is the trusted immobility? VM has always been a software first company. This means you are in control of the storage configurations and not limited to the configuration you choose. It means also the total control recovery, multi-layer immobility, complete data mobility, and comprehensive monitoring and simplicity through automation. This flexibility lowers operational cost and increase security since you are using your existing storage platforms. There's a great article on the options for what we call to like double pay immobility that you shared should read to learn more. Backup verifications are something different from this. How do you prove your backup was successful? In our upcoming ransom research report, we found most organizations either rely on the job completion legs or have built their own script to verify the integrity for the backup. The challenge is relying on backup job logs on shows the job completed without providing the data can be recovered. The people who create their own process on the other hand are taking a step forward but are adding to their work load by maintaining a script or trusting they'll all have time for a manual and arguably mandate poses. For us, backup verification is the part of the feature set we all secure backup. Simply put, secure backup in the VM technology that allows you to run multiple test बैठे रहो उधर बैठ के काम करो test on your backup to confirm the data is malware free. So I think this is the whole definition. I hope you like the video, so stay connected. Bye bye.